The WeWork Now 3D seat map is an experience that emerged over many iterations of creating, testing, and learning, tight integration of design and engineering. After we converged on the design of the seat map and how the interactions would work, it took 2 weeks to develop on a web platform and 1.5 weeks to build on iOS. We initially focused on speed of delivery, ease of change, and learning rather than reusability. We invest only a small bit upfront in designing the architecture and abstractions in our code. Over the course of next year, we encountered projects with similar requirements, including the 2019 StubHub Super Bowl experience, which enabled users to choose the zones and roads they wanted via the 3D immersive experience and seamlessly transition them to the first-person views of the user's chosen seats. The Shinkansen 3D seat map prototype is another project that uses a 3D seat map. Finally, we began to focus more on the reusability and scalability of the technology. We built up the experience to know what is typical cross applications and what varies. And so we could finally design an architecture that would be both reusable and flexible. Recently, we have started rebuilding the WeWork Now seat map from the knowledge and user data we got from the first version of the seat map and those other projects that I mentioned. In this version of the seat map, we have enhanced the user experience with new interactions. For instance, we have added a rubber band effect when users drag the map to the boundary. Besides the user experience enhancements, maintainability and scalability are the biggest keys of this revamp. In the original version of the seat map, all data including 3D, seat, and color shading data are embedded into the code base. That is what at that time allowed us to move fast and focus more on what users need. For this version, we have totally decoupled the data that represent the seat map from the client code and have it moved to the server, which give us a lot more flexibility when needing to change or adjust those data. For example, if we need to reposition some seats in the map, now we can do it via an admin panel, a user interface that we created to allow for manipulating the data on the server by dragging those seats visually. When we reload the seat map on the client, it updates accordingly. In the case of making a new seat map from the ground up, the admin panel allows us to upload 3D models of floor plans, seats, or any other kinds of objects, and then put together in the seat map viewport. After saving that map, the seat map will be updated on the client side. The color shading also lives on the server. All the colors shown in the map can be changed without changing anything in the code. This enables us to swap the theme from WeWork Now to the other products easily, or change the theme for any particular occasion. Those are all significant functionalities of the revamped 3D seat map that enables us to change the position of the seats, scale to different locations, and also expand it to various products or usages. The use case of this seat map is absolutely endless. Also, don't hesitate to reach out to me if you have any questions, comments, or any thought. Thank you.